Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Discord accounts to NodePay AI airdrop through your system. You can also do it on your mobile phone, so your iPhone or your app. I just want to show you how to do it directly from the system. So now I'm going to show you my screen now, so let's get started. Now what you need to do is, once you open your Discord account, I'm going to show you, this is my Discord dashboard. Now the next thing you need to do is you come here, you're going to see connect your, you can see here, this is it. So connect your Discord. I'm going to click on it. Okay, yeah, it is down here. Click on connect your Discord, and it's going to take you directly to the Discord account. Then what you need to do is log into your Discord. So make sure you know your password, your username that you use for your Discord. So it's going to get into the interface now. Okay, now so this is it now. Now I've put in my password. Okay, let me show you, not you. So this is it. Click on login, and this is it. Just click on everything and click on login. Your email that you use and the password, make sure they are correct, and you scroll up. When you scroll up, click on authorize. And once you click on authorize, automatically you have see, okay, you can see it's been loading. Automatically my Discord will be connected to my NodePay AI airdrop. Yeah, this is it now. This is it. It has been connected. It has been connected. Sorry guys, you can see it has been connected successfully. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, drop a comment, share, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.